I did it. Yes, 30 videos in 30 days. Can't believe I made it. I've recorded videos about a variety of topics, starting from me making videos in 30 days to feedback and internet trolls and comments that were stopping me as far as getting my family and kids involved in a couple, and then talking about examples and case studies and specific things happening in a day-to-day life of a data recovery engineer, like what kind of mobile phone problems and hard drive problems do we see. So I've tried a variety of different things, different topics and ideas, and I've uploaded the same videos on a few different social media platforms. The ones that seem to have the most views or engagement are general topics like the best way to back up your photos. Even though I don't really find that interesting to kind of create a video about that, I kind of think anyone can do that. Anybody can sort of write a story about that. I decided that I'm going to stick to what I know best. I'm going to start getting our staff members and data recovery engineers at our company involved. I felt a bit bad to ask them and kind of put them on the spotlight and put them on camera, but a few of them actually volunteered and said, sure, I'd like to help out and I'd like to be in some videos. So in 2020, you'll see some new videos from us, including some of our data recovery engineers, interviews with our employees, some of the expertise that they showcase, and some more in-depth videos explaining how we do things. We've got a video editing freelancer working for us now from the Ukraine. She's doing an excellent job to try and actually improve the look and the feel of these videos. Initially, I was just uploading the video to get started, which I was happy I did that. Then I started using an online service called Splashio and sort of went up to a little bit more personal, customized video editing service, which is still very low cost. I hope to get better at recording these videos, give you a few different camera angles, and you see some YouTubers that've got microscopes and, sort of really up close angles and things. Hopefully one day I'll get it set up like that and do some real technical videos for those of you interested. So thank you for watching, and thank you for everyone for your liking and sharing and supporting these posts. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a lovely Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Thank you.